Unleashing your storytelling magic. Show, don't tell. Hello, aspiring wordsmiths. Today, we're going to explore an essential tip that will elevate your creative writing skills. Show, don't tell. This technique is a game changer, and mastering it can make your writing more engaging and vivid for your readers. Show, don't tell, is a popular piece of advice given to writers. But what does it mean? Well, it's about presenting your story through details and actions that let your readers experience the situation, rather than directly stating facts or telling them how to feel. It's the difference between saying, "Sam was very angry," and writing, "Sam's face turned red, his fists clenched, and he gritted his teeth." The latter paints a picture, allowing the readers to infer Sam's anger. Show, don't tell, makes your writing more immersive and keeps your audience engaged. It encourages readers to think, imagine, and feel, rather than simply absorb the information you give them. By showing, you're inviting your readers to step into your character's shoes, to experience the world as they do. This way, your story becomes an experience, not just a tale. To master this technique, consider the following. 1. Use sensory details. Describe what your characters see, hear, smell, taste, or touch. For example, instead of saying, "The garden was beautiful," say, "The vibrant, colorful flowers filled the air with a sweet, intoxicating aroma." 2. Deploy dialogues. Use dialogues to reveal character traits or emotions. For instance, instead of saying, "She was anxious," write, "Her voice quivered as she asked, 'Is everything okay?'" 3. Describe actions and reactions. Show what your characters do and how they react to events. Instead of writing, "He was heartbroken," pen, "He stared at the empty space beside him, his hand mindlessly tracing the spot where her picture once stood." 4. Leverage metaphors and similes. They can make your descriptions more vivid. Rather than writing, "She felt lonely," try, "She felt like a solitary leaf on a barren tree." Remember, the goal is to make your reader deduce things, like emotions or attributes, from your vivid descriptions, rather than stating them outright. And there we have it, fellow story weavers. The art of show, don't tell is a cornerstone of captivating creative writing. Practice this technique and watch your storytelling blossom with life and energy. Until next time, keep painting pictures with your words and let your stories unfold naturally. Happy writing!